Hello students, in this video lecture we'll see the general characters of Platyhelminthes and classification, and also parasitic adaptation in the Platyhelminthes. Okay, Platyhelminthes. What is Platyhelminthes? Phylum Platyhelminthes means flat. Here, see, Platyhelminthes include flatworms. Flat means chappate. Chappate ಹುಳುಗಳು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Platies means flat, helminthes means worm. Worm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಳು, ಚಪ್ಪಟೆ ಹುಳುಗಳು. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals, acoelomates, and triploblastic invertebrate without an anus. These all are the invertebrates. Invertebrate means they lack the vertebral column. The four characters are there. I will explain in the during the chordate class. Okay, the flatworms are both free living as well as parasitic. ಇವೇನಿದಾವ ಫ್ರೀ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇದಾವು, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ ಇದಾವು. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ others for food purpose. See, first character, they are dorsoventrally flattened like a leaf. Example ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಲೀಫ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರತ್ತ, ಎಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಚಿಪ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಹಂಗ ಈ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಚಿಪ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಚಪ್ಪಟೆ ಹುಳು. ಡಾರ್ಸೋವೆಂಟ್ರಲಿ means, see this, see this, ಇದೊಂದು ಎಲೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. This is a flat leaf. Dorsoventrally means front side is ventral side and back side is dorsal side. That means ಇದೊಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾವೆ. This is the ventral side and back side is dorsal side. ಬೆನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಡಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ and front ಇರೋದು ventral side, and this is the anterior end and this is posterior end. Remember this. Next, dorsoventrally flattened. ಹೆಂಗಿದಾವು, ಡಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ, ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಂದ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದಾವು, ಡಾರ್ಸೋವೆಂಟ್ರಲಿ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅದಾವ. They show organ grade of organization. Here organs are present. What is the function of organ? Suppose example, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system. These all are the organs. Particular tissues. These organs are made up of tissues, many tissues, and tissues are made up of group of cells performing same function. Here organs are present for organ grade of organization is there. They are acoelomate animals. Here also coelom is absent. What is coelom? the cavity between the body wall and the gut. Here, see the diagram. This is the body wall and this is the gut. Gut means alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, digestive system. ಈ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ವಾಲ್ ಏನಿರತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ನಡುವಿನ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ coelom. And here the coelom is absent, that's why it is called as acoelomate. And this coelom is filled with parenchyma or mesenchyme cells. This is the TS section, transfer section of platyhelminthic worm, showing acoelom. Then fourth character is they are triploblastic animals. Triplo means 3 layers. They contain 3 layers. They are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm is the outer layer and mesoderm is the middle layer and endoderm is the inner layer. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. Bilateral symmetrical means the body of the animal can be divided into 2 equal similar halves through only one plane. ಈಗೊಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ 2 equal halves. This is bilateral symmetrical. Lateral side cut ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, see here, the body of the animal can be divided into 2 equal similar halves through only one plane. ಈ plane ದಾಗ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ, 2 equal halves ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೆಡ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಟೇಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪೋಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಎಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಬೈಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್. ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2, ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. Animal with this symmetry have definite polarity. Have definite polarity of anterior and posterior ends. Some members have segmented body. The segmentation in platyhelminth is called pseudometamerism. Pseudo means false metamerism, not truly segmentation. Segmentation ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ pseudometamerism. Next, this is the tapeworm and planaria. These are the examples of platyhelminthes. Tapeworm ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ and planaria. The digestive system is completely absent from cystoda and ocella. Cystoda ಮತ್ತು ocella ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ, digestive system ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, because they are the parasitic worms. The alimentary canal is branched in turbulence. Alimentary canal ಅಂದ್ರೆ digestive system ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, branched ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The anus is absent from them. Anus is totally absent. The respiratory organ are absent in parasites. Sorry, the respiratory organs are absent. In parasite, respiration is anaerobic. Parasite ಒಳಗ respiration ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತ, anaerobic, without the oxygen. There is a no circulatory system. Circulatory system is also absent. The excretory system is formed by protonephridia. Formed of protonephridia. The excretory system ಹೆಂಗಾಗೈತಿ, protonephridia ದಿಂದ ಆಗೈತಿ. Protonephridia means flame cells. Flame cells, the bundle of flame cells is called as protonephridia. These are the specialized, you see here diagram. This is the flame cell. ಇದು ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಗಂತಲೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. That's why it is called as a flame cell. Specialized excretory cell. This is a specialized excretory cell, function like a kidney. Kidney hanga function ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, waste removal. Next, the nervous system is well developed. It is a ladder like. Nervous system is well developed. This is not important. Nervous system is well developed. Next, they are hermaphrodites. Hermaphrodite means both the male and female reproductive organs are present in the same animal. Male irutta, female reproductive organ irutta. Anta animals ge ಏನಂತಾರೆ hermaphrodite ಅಂತಾರೆ. Fertilization is internal in them. What is fertilization? The fusion of gametes, male and female gamete fuse ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ fertilization ಅಂತಾರೆ. That fertilization process takes place in the internal. Internal means body ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Self or cross fertilization takes place in them. These are the hermaphrodite animals. Hermaphrodite means male ಮತ್ತು female ಎರಡು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ self fertilization ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Self means ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದೇ animal ಒಳಗಿಂದ male gamete and female gamete fuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ fertilization ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is self fertilization. Cross fertilization means ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್, ಈ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ದಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ದಿಂದ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is cross fertilization. Their development is direct or indirect. Some endoparasites shows usually indirect development with the many larval stage. Their life cycle is complicated in one or two hosts. They are free living or parasitic in nature. ಫ್ರೀನೂ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ಕು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫುಡ್. Sorry, they depend on the other organism for food. In parasitic worm, adhesive organs like hooks, spines, suckers and adhesive secretions are present. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದು. These are the general characters. Next, classification. Platyhelminthes are acelomate flatworms. These are classified into three classes: Turbellaria, Trematoda and Cystoda. Class 1, Turbellaria. Turbellaria ಒಳಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್? Turbellaria include free living flatworms with a ciliary covering. Cilia irutte. The term Turbellaria was used because they cause a turbulence in water by beating up the cilia. They have the following character. These are the Turbellarians characters. They are free living, commensalism. Commensalism means one organism get benefit and other get nor benefit, neither get benefit nor harm. That is commensalism. These are the few characters of that class. Example, Planaria or Dugacia. Next, second class, Trematoda. These Trematoda include flukes, liver flukes. They have a spiny skin. Skin is made up of spine-like structure. They have the following characters. The trematodes are parasites and body cover is made up of cuticle, and they have the body is unsegmented. Example is Fasciola hepatica, that is liver fluke. Class 3, Cystoda. Cystoda includes tapeworms. They are parasitic and segmented. They have the following salient features. Cystodes are parasite. Cover is made up of cuticle, body cover, and the body is segmented, and each segment is called as proglottid, and suckers are present for